With over 33,000 students attending Cardiff University, we make up a big segment of population here in Cardiff and are a part of the Cardiff community. We need to understand university residents' recycling system, as this process might be different from what we've experienced before. The university are committed to achieving ambitious recycling targets set by the Welsh Government. The next target is 70% by the end of 2024-25. We all have a responsibility to dispose waste correctly and recycle as much as we can to help reduce our carbon footprint on Cardiff. After all, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. All these go in the same bin. You'll be provided with clear bags to line your bin. Once they're full, please take them outside to the mixed recycling bins. A roll of bags will be left in your kitchen, for example, under the sink, in a drawer, or on top of the fridge. This can vary depending on location. Separating your recycling into clear bags reduces the contamination between items and greatly increases the amount and quality of waste that can be recycled. Glass should directly go in the glass bin. This bin doesn't need to be lined because glass is too heavy for the bag. Please use handles in the bin to carry this outside to the external glass bins to empty. Once you've emptied it, please remember to take your bin back to your kitchen. Did you know 29 recycled tea bags can produce enough electricity to fully charge a laptop? The benefits of recycling food waste are simply amazing. All your unwanted cooked and raw food goes in the food waste caddy in your kitchen. This includes fruit and vegetable peelings, leftovers, eggshells, tea bags, and coffee grounds. Be careful not to overfill the bags and make sure you empty your food caddy regularly in the food waste bin outside. Anything that can't be recycled goes in the black bags. These are provided every week. Once they're full up, please empty them outside in the general waste bins. There are lots of external bins outside, so please don't overfill one bin or leave rubbish on the ground. This could attract vermin. Also, make sure you close the bin lids once you're done. Please clear all the bins and caddies in your kitchen before your designated cleaning day. This ensures the housekeeping staff can clean and sanitize them for you. You can find out more about recycling at residences and around campus on the university intranet. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop me an email at endaofficer@cardiff.ac.uk. I'd love to hear from you. Let's all do our bit to keep Cardiff beautiful and a wonderful place to live.